Happy Saturday morning, traders. It's August 3rd. NVIDIA has entered into a big correction. We don't see any support till we get down to $75 a share, which will put NVIDIA in a bear market mode. It's overvalued. AI is overhyped. We've seen this back when I was back in 1999, year 2000, how the internet was going to be, but there's a long ways to go, and NVIDIA is still the prime holder and beneficiary, but NVIDIA has a 3-month delay on sending out the new Blackwell chip. You heard what I said. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. This is a big loser from a big winner. We are short. We issued the shorts up here at 140. That was the top. Entering more shorts at 130. We hit a low of 101. More downside in NVIDIA on chip delay segment, chip delay.